In how many ways can you select one black and one white square in a chessboard, provided they are not either in the same column or in the same row? Now, in a chessboard, we have 32 black boxes or black squares and 32 white squares. A chessboard looks something like this. Okay. Now, if we are selecting one black square first, okay, so out of 32, we are selecting one, so we can write it down as 32C1. Now, let's assume that we have selected this black square. Therefore, now the condition is that we cannot select the white square from the same column or the same row. So therefore, these white squares are eliminated. That is, a total of 8 squares are eliminated. They cannot be selected. So from 32, white 8 squares are eliminated. So we have only 24 available squares for selection as per our condition. And from these 24, we can select any one square. So therefore, we can write it down as 24C1. So we have 32C1 into 24C1, and therefore it becomes 32 into 24. That is 768. So answer is option B.